Hey guys, Mother Bird is back. um, I actually have a bit of a cold. I actually started feeling it yesterday. Yeah, Mother Bird is actually kind of sick. Hi, Smokey baby. Yeah. Hey, babies. I actually couldn't breathe last night, so I'm hoping this goes away by Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah, Mother Bird is kind of out of the water right now. She is actually she doesn't know that I'm kind of congested. I love you, Smokey. Man, I don't know why I keep on doing that. Smokey and Kool-Aid are actually eating, I think. But if you see in the water bowl, that is actually bad. But yeah, I don't even know what that is. But yeah, Smokey's right there actually. Kool-Aid, I don't even know. I love you, Smokey.